I think there are certain things that are easy enough that you should just have the mindset that you're going to teach yourself how to do it. Changing a tire on a car. If you own a car, you should know how to do that.
Yeah.
Like that I think that is part of becoming independent, is developing this mindset of I can do this. I can learn how to do it. I don't know how to do it right now, but I can learn it. And I think the people who successfully live independently earlier on than others are the ones that have that mindset built in early on as well. That think, I'll figure it out.
Yeah. Also, you're going to save a lot of money if you don't have to
You are.
call like on-demand mechanics to come swap out for a spare tire or something.
You're still
It's
going to
gonna
call
be-
your mom to ask how to do laundry properly, but if you just have that spirit of independence and you have that willingness to be a solution finder and to look things up, then you will do well.
Yeah, I mean, we have the magic of the internet. You know, they didn't
We
always
do.
have that. They probably had to ask their parents and didn't really have a better resource.
Mm-hmm. In fact, there is an entire YouTube channel called How to Adult. And that whole channel is just full of things that you probably are going to need to learn at some point if you are going to live independently. There's also, at risk of sounding a little bit sexist, there's a website called The Art of Manliness. I think it's just artofmanliness.com. It's a very guy-centric website, but there's a lot of articles on the website that are basically like DIY, how to fix things, how to live independently.
I think one of those is the thing I found on Google for jumping a car.
Yep.
Jumping a car battery.
Every single time I need to jump a car,
That's the one
the
I
Art of
found.
Manliness article comes up first. So even if you're not a manly person, I think there's a lot of really good stuff on that website.
Yeah, I think jumping a car is more like the art of capableness.
The art of capableness, yeah. How to become a capable human being.
You should be able to do this.
Exactly. And so this is a project that I also want to work on at some point in some capacity, is building out some sort of resource on how to live well independently, how to move into adulthood with class, so to speak.
Yeah.
So that's also something that you will probably see coming more on this podcast and other things connected to me. But, for now, Art of Manliness is great. How to Adult is great.
Yeah.
But I think the main thing is the mindset.